Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the radio and radio amp fuse are located on this 2010 Chrysler Town and Country. This is the same as the Dodge Grand Caravan. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It really helps out a lot. First thing you need to do is pop your hood. Right here is the under the hood fuse box, so push in on these two tabs and lift. Your radio fuse and radio amp fuse are the same fuse, and it's this 30 amp fuse right here at the end of my finger. I will have some microblade fuses linked down in the description below where you can get them on Amazon if you'd like. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.